It is important to start each project with the appropriate template file. Pick New from the application menu. Pick inch or millimeter based on your project. Use the Draw, Modify, and Dimension tools to complete your work. Pay attention to the annotation scale setting in the status bar. Switch to A-Size Layout tab. Double-click inside the viewport window, then double-click your mouse wheel to zoom all. Adjust the viewport scale to match your annotative scale. Double-click outside of the viewport to return to paper space. Then double-click the title block text to edit. This information is very important. If your project is too large to fit on A size, try the other sheet sizes. Remember to adjust the viewport scale. You can make enlarged drawings such as 2:1 scale. In this case, the A-size sheet works well, and we will use it. Always use the preview button to make sure your drawing looks as it should. Hit the print icon and save your PDF file. It doesn't hurt to double check what you're turning in. Remember to save your projects as DWG files too. Any questions, email me at jkkc@asub.edu.